With 5 seating options, the J-325 hot tub is compact yet spacious. With sophisticated ProFinish cabinetry, a HydroSoothe no-splash jetted massage pillow, a low profile, and more, relief looks as good as it feels. The J-325 has a unique HydroSoothe massage pillow, delivering a superior head and neck massage and a soothing cascade of water over the neck and shoulders. Highly engineered Premium PowerPro jets, carefully placed for an elite hydromassage, make it easy to feel why the iconic Jacuzzi Brand is recognized as the industry leader. In the PowerPro Therapy Seat, a variety of PowerPro jets combine to target key areas of the shoulders and back and are adjustable for high to low pressure. In this ergonomically designed seat, wide back coverage relieves tension and muscle strain with a spiral action massage. And in the spacious footwell, foot jets are embedded in an asymmetric dome along the hot tub wall to deliver total relaxation to tired feet. This model utilizes clear-ray UVC technology with a 4-stage filtration process that achieves cleaner water quickly with less effort. Experience the style and comfort of the J-325 hot tub for yourself. Contact your local authorized Jacuzzi hot tub dealer and schedule a wet test today.